That's tornado. Come on, condense. We did it, Steven! We did it! Big cone! Big cone! Take a picture with your phone! Oh my God! Beautiful tornado!
Large cone tornado on the ground once again. Wow. We gotta get to that road. Two more miles.
Yes, I see that. Oh boy. Maybe not.
Keep going. Keep up with it. It's gonna plant.
Yeah, this is gonna be a big tornado.
Just keep going. Keep going. Keep going.
I can't, Steven.
I know.
Oh, it's on the ground. It's on the ground. Tornado on the ground.
I got it.
Wow. Beautiful white rope.
Okay, pull over. Just pull over. Pull over, please.
We might have another one developing just to our north. Really? Roping out.
Both tornadoes are roping out. Looks like a third one in there.
Yeah,
too.
there's a big tornado in there. Look.
Yeah. Big tornado